Today we're going to be seeing what people are going to trade for a neon parrot. And this is not like the best trading server, but let's see. Let's say trading neon parrot. Neon parrot. If the server is, if I get no good trade offers, I'll server hop. Ooh, 2 ride potions. Snowcat and a drake. Nope. Alright, they want to offer. Wait. Give item from backpack. Alright, it's the same person. Ooh, I'm good, sorry. No. Yeah, I overpaid for this, so I'm kind of being a little picky with it. I gave them a neon crow and 3 turtles, which is overpaying, and I'm mad. Alright, I'm gonna server hop. Just joined another server, and it's a pretty rich trading server. I mean, it's not the best trading server, but let's see. I already see a neon parrot over. Wait, there it is. Neon parrot. Cool. I'm gonna say trading neon parrot. Okay, let's see what people offer. A griffin. Yeah, I ain't gonna do that. Sorry, person. Alright, let's see. No, alright. I hate when people don't even give you time to add, so I always give people time to add. No, sorry. Trading neon. Cool, a frost dragon. Oh, it's a fly ride. Yeah, I overpaid, so if someone offered me a neon crow and a neon turtle, yeah, I would do it because I could just try to get another one. No, sorry, but no, I don't have anything that I'm trading. Okay, another offer? A bathtub. No, sorry. Trading neon parrot. Alright, let's see. I'm not gonna do it for neon owl. Oh, is that fair? I don't know. Neon turtle. Ooh. Oh no. I'll do it if you add a pet. Or not. I kind of want to do that offer. I don't know. That was a good offer though. Wait, is this the same person? Now I really want to do that offer. That was a good offer. I mean, I know it might not be fair to some people, but I think it is. Offers. Ooh, frost dragon. Oh wait, it's the same person. It's a different. I'm gonna have to server hop in a minute. I'm gonna trade with her again. Oh wait, that's a different person. Oops, sorry. Okay, trading neon parrot last call. Neon Kitsune. If it was Mega, 100%. Who said me, please? Heavens. Alright, I'm gonna try to trade with them again. They're not adding the neon turtle. Alright, I'm gonna join a different server. Alright, new server. Let's go see what people are gonna offer for this. Is this a better than... Oh, cool. Oh my gosh. Mega Turtle, my dream pet. I'm just gonna say, may I offer, please? I'm just gonna send them a trade because I saw them with a neon giraffe. I mean, that was them, I'm pretty sure. Just hope they don't get scammed because I saw, oh, sorry, I was thirsty. I saw them put it away, and I think they're doing a fail trade. So, I don't really know. My gosh, are you gonna offer? Okay, no, sorry. Already know. Must add a good pet. No. Okay, nope. Trading neon. Oh, parrot. Oh, I really wish I could have done that Arctic reindeer and neon turtle. Failed trades are scams. I know because I gotten scammed from my queen bee and Arctic reindeer. Never do them. They could, unless you know that person. I don't trust people. A lot of people in Adopt Me are just trying to scam you, but there are a lot of good people too. Just fail trades, like, don't do a same time fail trade unless you have a better pet in, because they can scam you by giving. So like if they say don't give me the food, or don't give me the food, and they give the food, they're actually giving you a different food that's the same. It's kind of confusing, but yeah. Alright, is anyone gonna offer? Me. You know, I'm just gonna wait till everything is better, so yeah. I'm gonna end off the video, but I am gonna be doing a giveaway of a legendary pet, probably a dragon or something. But yeah, we'll see. Bye.